In this lesson, I will show you how to create fillet inside the sketch. I will go to Edit Sketch. Now I will activate that fillet from this sketch tab from here, or if I press S key in my keyboard, I can activate from here also. First, I have to select any entity to fillet. I can select any vertex or any two line. If I hover on this point, it will show me this is the preview. So I will select this point, and this is the preview. After I make the fillet, this will be added. Then if I want to add fillet in multi-corner, in that case I can also add this corner, but this time I will not select this vertex. I will select this two line, and it will create fillet for me. Then I can adjust size. I will put 5. Then I will press OK, and these are the fillet. Now we are controlling fillet by using 1 radius, and this is adding 1 equal radius. This sketch fillet tool is still active. If I want, I can add more fillet. Let's say if I want to add fillet on this corner, I can do that also. When I'm done, I can press close or OK. I will press Ctrl Z to go back. I will do fillet again. Now I will create fillet on this two corner, but I will check this box, dimension each fillet, then press OK. Now you can see this added 2 dimension for each fillet. So if you want to add multi-dimension, you can also do that. I will press Ctrl Z to go back again. I will active my fillet again. This time I want to fillet on this corner. So if I select this point, this will fillet like this. I don't want to fillet like this. I want to fillet between these two lines. So in this case, I must have to select this two lines to fillet it. Now I will uncheck this. I don't need this. There is one option, keep constant corner. I will uncheck this first, then press OK. Let's see what happened. You can see this will put 1 radius, and this is that fillet, but this line is underdefined now, which really I don't want. So I will go back again. I will select these two lines, but this time I will select keep constant corner, then press OK. And this is the beauty. This line is still completely fully defined by using this intersection geometric relation.